Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get raw Excel Valorant data, the only reliable way. To begin, you'll need to use a reputable third-party statistics tracking website. These platforms connect to your Valorant account and gather extensive game information. This method is crucial because Valorant itself does not offer a direct raw data export feature. It's the most comprehensive approach for detailed analysis. Once you've selected your preferred tracker, the first step is to create an account on their platform. Next, you'll securely link your Riot Games account. This process usually involves a quick authentication through Riot's official portal, ensuring your data remains safe. After linking, the tracker will begin importing your match history and performance statistics. This initial sync might take a few minutes, depending on your game history. With your data synchronized, navigate to the section that displays your match history or overall statistics. Look for an Export or Download Data button, typically found near the top or bottom of the data tables. You can often specify a date range or filter for particular agents or maps. Once your selections are made, click to download your raw Valorant data, usually provided in a CSV or Excel format, ready for your analysis. Now that you have your raw Valorant data in Excel, the real work begins. You can create custom charts and graphs to visualize your performance over time, track agent win rates, or analyze economic efficiency. This deep dive helps you understand your playstyle, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to climb the ranks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Happy analyzing, and good luck in your next match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.